What's up, you guys? It's your girl Beauty with Mika, and I have today a new unboxing of the MacBook Air. Yes, your girl went on and did it. So as you guys can see, I'm doing some new technical stuff on using my cameras, but I wanted to give you guys an unboxing, a true unboxing, because your girl did go ahead and recently upgrade, because this is the MacBook Pro. I've had this one for about since 2016, 2017, and right now the battery life on here is just wearing out. Pretty much I have to charge this at least once a day, versus maybe I could use it like 2-3 times a day and I never would have to charge it as much. So now this is becoming one of those things where I have to charge it every night. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I did actually sell this one. So shout out to my friend. That's why I'm doing this unboxing early, because I'm actually, since I sold this one, I got the MacBook Air, and I was so happy because as a beauty influencer or just doing YouTube videos in general, I was a little concerned about this one, but I've seen tons of other YouTubers that do just as much videos as me that are able to still use this, and the new MacBook Airs have good quality. If you're wondering, and I'm gonna flip it over, I have the MacBook Air in the 13-inch with the new Apple M1 chip. I have 8 GB with 512 gigabytes with SSD. I'll put out the specs right here so you guys can see it. I did go ahead and get mine out of Best Buy, so shout out to Best Buy for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing, and I'm super excited. That one tear, girl, that tear. Guys, I had to remove the glasses. I feel like they were a little distracting. So here it is. I'm super excited about this thing. And the way Apple does this box, you want that whole release and seal, like pop. And I'm super excited. There it goes. So again, I got the MacBook Air with the new M1 chip. I got it in gold, but to me it's rose gold. And I am ordering a case off Amazon. I know you guys are like, where your case at? I am gonna go ahead and put a case on this thing, but for right now I wanna enjoy it in its luxury. So here is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna remove the box. And this is what it looks like. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and slide this bad boy out of its packaging, because we want to get this set up, right? Yeah, I don't know about y'all, but we want to get this set up. And I always keep my box for like a year. It's just something that I have been known to do. After 1 year, I don't keep the box anymore, because it is under warranty. So I did get the additional Apple Care. I'm gonna get started with this. So this does come with a charging cable. It comes with this charging cable, which I'm excited about. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out now, because I will be using this today. What else does it come with? It comes with, it should come with my stickers, girl. I want the rose gold stickers. I didn't care about the other stickers, but it does come with the stickers. So I'm actually gonna leave these out. I don't know why. And of course, instruction manual. So you could definitely see that. And it comes with the port. This one is a little bit smaller than my Pro, and I'll show you guys what the Pro looks like. So this is what the Apple Pro looks like, and this is what the regular MacBook Air looks like. So if you compare the two, they're definitely, they're definitely different in size as far as the quality. I would say the size, definitely way half the size. So that's the Air and that's the Pro and the Air. So definitely the size, weight, and the weight is definitely smaller. So I'm definitely excited about that. So we're gonna take these two things out. Of course, we're gonna put the instructions back in here. We're gonna put the paper, and we're gonna close this box and now get this set up. So it's telling me that my AC, my power is running low on here, which, you know, it says connect your power cable because your Mac is running low on battery power, which is recommended, especially because what I'm going to do is actually transfer the data from my current MacBook Pro over to the new one. So that's just to give you guys an idea of how everything is set up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this set up now. It's a good thing. Now I'm going to set up my current MacBook. This is going to take long, so I'm going to come back and show you guys my ultimate setup, because now I have to basically transfer from the old MacBook Pro to the new one, and from experience I know this could take at least about 2 to 3 hours. So I'll come back, let you guys know what happened. Bye. All right, so really quick, I wanted to let you guys know, so you have to go in your current laptop that you're using, type in migrate, it'll actually connect you, and then it'll be able, you go to this PC. This MacBook Air needed to be updated, so it took about half an hour to update. Now it's in the process of transferring information, so it's already reading this MacBook Pro. So now what I'm going to do is just click here, press continue, and then obviously there's a code, so I have to then go over here to go yes, and now it's looking for everything, and I basically backed up everything on iCloud, so it's basically going to transfer everything onto this. Let's please make sure this display. So yeah, as you can see, I'm transferring applications, photos, everything, and it's already looking. So it says it's looking for the new Mac, but it's basically connected. So what they call it is current connection is peer-to-peer, so if you're wondering. So yes, it's so crazy because you actually have to try to read both of these at the same time, and it's calculating space for me, which I know I have enough space. This one I believe was only 250 gigabytes. I still didn't use a lot of the space, except I just really wanted another MacBook because it was time, and I didn't want to spend $2,500 for the new MacBook Pros when the Air, I got it less than $1,000, and it was on sale at Best Buy. So come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, so I am back. Key thing that I did was I actually started this transfer process over because I had literally left this on for about 4 hours, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a tech person, but I did realize the Wi-Fi in the back part of my house does not get the best service. So I was like, you know what, I'll just start it all over. This MacBook Air is pretty much set up now. Instead of 6 hours, as you could tell, it states 42 minutes on each one, which they're syncing together. That's good. The numbers are equal. So I basically just started over, and now I'll come back to you guys once this is done. Y'all are seeing me in my full glory right now, raw footage. But other than that, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and to subscribe. Your girl is about to go relax, enjoy her new laptop. If you want to see a more detailed, thorough review on this, I will give you guys an update in 30 days. I did notice that some of the features that are on here I did like, as far as like the touch point. Also the transfer was just easy once I was able to get my Wi-Fi figured out. And yeah, I am ready to get rid of my Pro. I will say I don't know if I will ever go back to a MacBook Pro. I've always loved it. It was my first, no, it was actually my second laptop huge purchase. I've loved them so far, but I just cannot fathom spending about almost $3,000 for the newest MacBook. I have to be honest with you guys and be realistic. As much as I love my Apple products, $3,000 is just totally insane. That's actually more than the iMac, I believe. So that's why I really, that was just a huge like, no, not $3,000 for a laptop that's really only gonna last me about 4 years tops. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, because London is over here calling me mom, don't forget the thumbs up. Come on, are we gonna say thumbs up?
Thumbs up for baby.
Okay, thumbs up for baby. We're gonna dress baby. So thumbs up. So say thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.